Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I thought today I would do a review. I'm actually getting my hair done next week, so I thought I would give my review that I've been using. This is the L'Oreal Magic Root Cover-Up. I know a lot of people have been interested in this. I've tried a couple other products like this, but they don't quite compare to this one. On the back it says, "Seconds to flawless roots, no more grays, no more compromises, quick and easy, dries in a flash, lightweight, no smudging or sticky residue when dry, lasts one shampoo." I don't know if that's true. I would say this lasts until you wash your hair. And it is ammonia free, peroxide free, no synthetic dyes. And I have like dirty blonde hair, so I got that color obviously. That was really hard for me to find the dark blonde color in store. I randomly saw this in a grocery store for like, I paid $10 for this. And I believe it ranges in between $10 and $15. And you get 2 ounces of product. And this is it right here. It comes with this kind of a nozzle, and I've used this a few times and I do like it. As you can see, I'm having like this Cruella de Vil gray, and I have this gray over here. So I thought, oh, I never realized I have a bunch of gray hair up here. But the grays that I most care about is like this and over here. So I thought I would do a demo of the product, and it's just easier for me to spray it this way, and I'm just gonna use my mirror over here to spray it in. This does smell a lot like hairspray, so it does have that kind of a smell. And it says to hold it, cover your shoulders with a towel, shake well. I've never done that. I haven't had a problem with it. Spray on dry hair about 6 inches away from regrowth using a light steady pressure to blend the color. Let it dry for a minute. Done. And I'll just spray a quick little spray right there, and that is the color for dark blonde. Let me wipe that off real quick before it stains. And I'm just going to fix this area right here and then a little bit right here. And I still see a little bit of grays over in this area. And I kind of missed a few. And you just let it dry. This really makes me see how much gray hair I actually have when I spray everything else. And I think it did a pretty good job. I wouldn't count, I didn't really spray the back of my head. I didn't want to use my whole hair. Like I said, I only care about the front of my hair. And I think it does a really good job. It doesn't smell, it's not sticky. You can run your fingers through your hair still. I've tried a powder one before and another spray, and it was just like awful. It was not a good color. It was quite a long time ago. I don't remember which one it was. But this is a very good product if this is something that you were looking into. I know that L'Oreal came out with different hairsprays kind of like this, but with colors. There was a pink one, a purple one, and some other ones. I've heard good things about that one, and after using this I would say it's probably the same kind of thing that you can wash out, so I would highly recommend the colored one as well as this one. And again, this is called the Magic Root Cover-Up. And if you have any questions at all about this product, feel free to ask a question down below. Thanks, and remember to subscribe. Bye.